Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we turn your creative ideas into amazing designs. Today, we're diving into how to use Canva for small business marketing. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner, these tips will help you boost your brand effortlessly. Let's get started. Creating a logo. First, let's talk about creating a professional logo. Canva makes it super easy. Start by opening Canva and selecting the logo template. You'll find a variety of templates to choose from. Pick one that suits your brand and customize it by changing the colors, fonts, and adding your business name. Once your logo is ready, download it in high resolution. You can use this logo across all your marketing materials to maintain a consistent brand identity. Designing social media posts. Next, let's create eye-catching social media posts. Canva has templates for all major platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Select a template that matches your brand style. And customize it with your logo, brand colors, and engaging content. Remember to keep your messaging clear and concise to grab your audience's attention. Designing flyers and posters. For offline marketing, designing attractive flyers and posters is crucial. Canva offers templates for both. Choose a flyer or poster template and customize it with your business information, images, and call to action. Make sure to include your contact details and social media handles to drive engagement. To print your flyers and posters, download them in PDF format for the best quality. You can either print them yourself or use a professional printing service. Tips for maintaining brand consistency. Here are some tips for maintaining brand consistency. Always use your brand colors, fonts, and logo in all your designs. Canva's Brand Kit feature can help you keep everything organized and easily accessible. This ensures that all your marketing materials look cohesive and professional. And there you have it. A simple way to use Canva for small business marketing. By creating a professional logo, designing eye-catching social media posts, and making attractive flyers and posters, you can boost your brand effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.